has hit the bottom, the silver bucket's dry. I've run out of the liquid I used to need to cry. The salt has formed a crust upon the hollow of my cheek, a language of exhaustion that I'm far too tired to speak. I'm staring at the ceiling with a gaze of polished stone, the most honest kind of empty that I've ever really known. And there are no more tears, the reservoir is gone, just a parched and dusty spirit waiting for a sunless dawn. I've wept 1,000 rivers